Hello, everyone. This week, it's all about you. Last week, you were looking at other people's scholarship. This week, you're choosing that text. You're reading it, and you are beginning that journey towards a final research project with just a 1 to 200 word book summary and presentation video. So here's what you're going to be doing, and here, I actually go through it. So on the course link for this week, I go step by step through an example with you all. What's the point of this? I mean, besides giving the main plot points, kind of the message, and a quick description of how this relates to our discussion about fantasy. And remember, our discussion about fantasy, we said fantasy is a giant category and it's very vague, but the thing that consistently comes up is it's pushing the boundaries of what's real or what's possible, even if it's only just a little bit. It's pushing beyond that. So how does your book relate to that idea of fantasy? What kind of definition does that author seem to be using? And do it in a creative way. You chose these texts. Let's try to sell them. Try to get somebody else to enjoy or to see what you see. So here are your tasks. Here's the examples. And where you're going to be posting them is the second link for this week. Fantastic Book Club Tradition. Here you've got your name, here you've got your book, and you could put just the link to your video. So we don't have to load all the videos, directly on here. And then you can share these with each other. So I cannot wait to see what you all are doing. Happy reading!